Then check this out. Ready now?
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets and ChatGPT. Alright guys, so the reason we promote $25 business is because of this affiliate program, which is 80% recurring income every single month. 80% guys, it does not go down. This is the product to promote if you're an affiliate marketer, you know all that. And if you're a beginner, this is the product you want to start with. Alright, this is fantastic. So anyway guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell, and we'll get started. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is show you my results here. Looks like we didn't get a sale yesterday, but we're going to refresh the page to show you guys these are real results that are going into my bank account. I don't want to try to trick you guys. Understand that one time. They don't refresh the page when they're showing results. Don't believe the results. Okay? It's so easy to change the number. Alright guys. Alright guys, look like we did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine, not a big deal at all. We're not gonna worry about it like that. Alright guys, so the thing that we're gonna do is we need to get you your links, guys. These are the links down here. We got to get you to this page. Alright, so first, before I do that though, I want to show you the link that I use personally. I personally use this link here in particular because it promotes 3 products, all give you 80% income. Alright, so that's the reason why I use this link, but you can use any of these links. You can even, I think you might be better off kind of rotating them around a little bit, but I don't do that. I just like this one. I like promoting this one in particular, and yeah, I've been getting good results with it, so I just stick with it. The first thing you want to do is go to my description and the links there. You're going to see step 1, step 2, incomespeech.com. That's what you want to click on. It's going to take you to this page here. Now what this page is, the sales letter for the $25 business, guys. It just talks about what it is, how much money you can make, what it does, blah blah blah, you know what I mean, on and on and on. And basically what you want to do, what it does is it's a funnel builder. All right guys, it's a funnel builder, and what that is basically a series of websites to get you to buy something, long story short. All right, now if you're an affiliate marketer, you already know all of this. And the most popular funnel builder out there is ClickFunnels, which is over $100 a month. And you got limitations and stuff. This right here is $25 a month. If I'm you, I switch over to this right away just because of that. It's a really good product. All right, guys. Yeah, and another thing as well is that they give to charity. And they, if you're interested in that, they give to charity. If you've been watching this video here, is what it's talking about, giving meals and stuff. Also, you can make $20 to $100 monthly commissions. That's $120 off of each customer every month, guys. Every month. That's a week. That's $12,000 off of one sale in a year. $12,000 off of one sale in a year. All right, guys. That's so fantastic. And plus it's over time, so you building up an income. You get 10 people doing that, that pays your rent. That pays most people rent. Dude, that pays most people rent $1,200. Yeah, $1,200. Yeah, that pay most people rent. So yeah, this is the product to promote, guys. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you the absolute easiest way to promote this product. I just test this and just make sure that this method works because it's very simple. All right, so before I do that though, let's keep it moving. You want to try this out, right? Yes, I want in. Sorry, I got a little ahead of myself there. I'm sorry. But anyway, man, you just put in your information, blah blah blah, and get the product here. Now, one thing I want to mention is because if you use my link, you can get HBA Premium for free for 2 weeks. All right, guys. So what's cool about this is that it basically is training on how to promote the product in a more elaborate way, so to speak, like setting up ads, Facebook groups, YouTube, stuff like that, and kind of figuring out what you want to do, how you want to promote it, and learning how to promote it very effectively. You know what I mean? And you also get an AI content creation machine to ask it for stuff like titles, descriptions, anything you need, articles, help you with articles, whatever, blah blah blah, right? And you get all that, and it's really cool. for free for 14 days. And now the coolest part is that if you get a sale with this product, you get a sale with HBA Premium, you keep that $100, guys. Absolutely fantastic. All right. So as you see, yeah, they show you the more elaborate ways and more, I'd say, work intensive ways to make money online. But what I'm going to show you is the absolute easiest way to get started. This is to help you get started and get going, guys. To get going with making money online. This is what this does. It helps you get started, helps you get going. It's been working consistently for me for over a year, and it just works. All right, it works for me. All right, so what we're gonna do is gonna click on our second link there, my lead gen secrets. There you see a link there, you click on it, take you to this page here. This is my lead gen secrets, guys, and what you do, you get 100 leads per day that you email once per day. So you just keep sending emails, and once you get a bunch of emails in the system, all you gotta do is come here, click on that, go to mailing system, make sure to select all your leads, and pick an email, guys. It's that simple. It's really that simple. So what I'm gonna do here, guys, I'm gonna use one of my old emails that I wrote here. Just one of where should I go? I guess what we're gonna do is rewrite an email here. That's what we'll do. All right, so we're gonna use ChatGPT to write us a new email. That's what we'll do, guys. And basically what I'm gonna do is go over to ChatGPT here. I'm gonna click on email system. I'm gonna tell it to write us another email based on what it done wrote us so far. Been paying attention. It's just real easy to write an email. I just say something like, this email is kind of long, so I'm gonna go. And you make personal. I want to see what it is. So you can keep asking it to do stuff like this, and it's pretty cool. I like this. All right, we'll go with this. So we're gonna just post this. Say something like, every day or something. I don't know. Change that up a little. I think that works. We're gonna stick to that. And basically what we're gonna do is just take the email on ChatGPT, what ChatGPT has written us, and we're just gonna copy it. Get a little bit personal if we care, you know. The last one kind of felt a little bit too similar to this one, so I just a little. But I want to kind of make the same email. So that's what we're gonna do here. So email, so we're gonna get our link, take that, copy, and we're gonna just gotta delete. Right here, we're gonna make it bold and like that. Excuse me. And it's gonna italicize this, italicize and underline. that. And that's all it takes, guys. That's all we're gonna do for the email. Real simple, real easy to do. You see that, guys? Very simple email. All right, we're gonna hit perfect timing. That's gonna send an email around time people check the emails. We're gonna preview. And what we're gonna preview for two particular reasons. One, you wanna make sure your link works. That's the reason why I'm previewing. See, my link does work, went straight to the page. You wanna make sure you do that, because if it don't do that, you can't make money off of it. Now, two reason is to show you guys the whole email, so you guys want to copy it, you can. As you can see, I like going with very short emails. I just think about when I read emails, I want to go ahead and just get to the point, tell me what you want, you know. So that's the type of emails I like sending. All right, guys, so that's all there is to that. So we're gonna send the email. We are done, guys. That's all it takes. Very simple, very easy, very quick, very concise, and you make money doing this, guys. I made money doing this. I'm proving to you making money doing it. I show you my results every single video. And yeah, it is money coming into my bank account. It really is money coming to my bank account. It ain't that much yet, but it'll slowly grow. It always does. One thing you gotta do is keep doing it. You gotta be consistent. As long as you consistent, it'll keep growing. It won't go down, it'll keep going up slowly. Like, that's the thing you gotta remember. You gotta be consistent. That's the most important part of when it comes to making money online, guys. If you stop, you ain't gonna make it. Like, you gotta start from the beginning once again. So it's better if you having a headache or something like that, try something. If you can try something new, that's cool, but stick to something. Keep doing it. Keep posting. Keep posting. Keep posting. And I think the best way to make money right now, in particular, to really scale really crazy, real fast. I won't say fast because I don't want to promise anything, but is to make YouTube shorts. Not YouTube shorts. YouTube shorts in particular, but TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. Shorts. Reels. You know what I mean? And just keep posting every day. I personally recommend about 3 or 4 times a day, but the more you post, the better. But at least once a day, post a short or something like that. Very short. It could be 7-15 minutes long. It don't matter. Don't worry about the editing, how good the video looks, stuff like that. Don't worry about that. And just keep posting shorts, guys. And keep it going. Keep it posting. Keep posting. Keep posting. Eventually, you'll start making money. The reason why I say YouTube is the most important, because YouTube has the most high grade customers, so to speak. They're more than likely to spend money. TikTok has the least high grade customers. They're less likely to spend. And Instagram make a lot of money with Instagram as well. TikTok is the least. Let's say, I'm gonna put it like this: a million followers on TikTok is nothing compared to 1 million followers on Instagram, and it sure ain't nothing compared to 1 million followers on YouTube. Don't forget the AdSense. So that's all it is to it, guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.